Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to speed up your Google Chrome browser and fix slow loading and performance problems. Just follow my instructions. First, make sure your Chrome browser is up to date. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them. Next, let's clear out the junk. Click on Privacy and Security on the left menu, then select Delete Browsing Data. Here make sure to change the time range drop-down to all time. Check the boxes for cookies and cache and hit Delete. This frees up space and instantly improves speed. In the next step, we need to disable unnecessary extensions, which can really drag down browser performance. Click on Extensions in the left sidebar or click the puzzle icon at the top right. Turn off or remove any extension you don't need. As you can see here, keeping it lean makes a huge difference. Now let's optimize the performance settings. Click on Performance on the left sidebar. Make sure Memory Saver is turned on. This automatically frees up RAM from inactive tabs so your active tabs load much faster. Under the System tab, you need to adjust two crucial settings. First, toggle off Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed to save system resources. Second, make sure Use Graphic Acceleration when available is toggled on. Finally, let's tweak your security settings for faster page loading. Go to Privacy and Security, click on Security and scroll down until you see Use Secure DNS. Here you can select another faster DNS such as Google or Cloudflare. Try them both to see which one works the best for your connection. Now all you need to do is relaunching Chrome and enjoy your fasting browsing experience. Thank you for watching and see you next time.